So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the inauguration for the much awaited FPSOP 78. When we count down 3, 2, 1 together, please join me. Lend me your voice. Let's do the countdown together. Once that's done, right behind us, we have the Petrobras and the red banner behind on the vessel will also simultaneously drop with our FPSO P78 logo. All right, so everybody, this is the moment that all of us been waiting for. If you're ready, lend me your voice. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you FPSO P78. Congratulations. Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. This is a moment to commemorate. Let's grab a photograph together. And after this, we'll be commencing on the group photograph as well. Please stay where you are.